Now, we have discussed almost all the important verbs. One more thing I would like to discuss is a sample. So if you want to create a sample, so what you can say that you can write sample underscore n. N is basically number. What number of sample do you want? So here you see that it provides you the 10 columns, 10 records from the flights dataset. So I have provided my flight dataset as a whole to sample underscore n, and I have given it the count. So what it does is randomly provides you 10 samples from the flights dataset. Similarly, here, let's say if you want, I don't want it by count, I want it by fraction. So there is still a command to help you. There is a command sample underscore frag. So what it does, it provides you a fraction. Now you can provide the fraction. Let us say you say I want 25% of my data in my sample. Okay. So what it does that you can simply write 0.25, you can write 0.5, 0.7 or whatever you want. Replace equals to files. This is basically, you might all have come across the term replace, that now whatever record it has chosen in this particular sample, it will not replace it, that record will not occur again. Okay, so basically it is not replacing the data frame in the original data set. So basically it is a unique 25% data. If you want, you can store it, let us say you can write it, you can run it. So basically now you have created your new fractional data of 25% of the flight data unique into this particular df underscore frag. Okay, very helpful. Now rename is another command, and after that we will be done with this video. That is rename. This is also very handy. So in R you have to write a long line, but in this particular Dplyr, what you say that it provides you the function rename, and here you say that I want to rename my dest column. You see that in here, if you see that I have my destination as dest. So you say that I don't want, that doesn't make any sense, and I want to rename it as destination. That will be more helpful in me to understand the data frame metadata. So what you can do, you can simply use the dplyr rename verb, and you can say that okay, my new column name will be destination. So let us say if you want to, after renaming, or you can do multiple columns. I have written here only one. After the comma you can write multiple. Okay, so let us say you want to say I want to store this particular data frame in a new data frame. You can write you can use this r operator. And now if you see that I have created my new data, and in this if I show you, then if I scroll here, you see that my dest is now renamed to destination. All right, so here basically in this video we have covered almost all the important functions which are helpful for you in data analysis, data exploration. Basically everything will remain the same. You might have a different scenario for you to analyze, but these all are the functions which will be very helpful for you. I assume that this video you will find helpful, and if you do, then I would request you to please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am going to make a lot of such videos and I want you to get a notification for them. So please, before going, do subscribe my channel and like my video. And again, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.